For this week's creative project, you're going to use Desmos Graphing Calculator and Graspable Math. So let's start with Desmos Graphing Calculator. Step one is to go to Desmos and create an inequality. You need to have variables x and y in your inequality, and of course an inequality symbol. So you could use something like this, but do not use this one because this one is mine. So 3x minus 4y, let's say, is less than 8. So this would be my inequality. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go down here and choose points in 3 places. I want to choose one point that's in the shaded region. I'm going to choose one point that is in the unshaded region, and I'm going to choose one point that's on this line. And I'm going to actually add these to the graph. So let's go to the shaded region. In my graph, I have a lot of choices here, so I think I'll choose -2, 4. So just a random point in the shaded region. Now when you put this point in, it's going to give you the option to label it, so you should click that and it will add a label to your graph. Alright, so I'm going to pick a point on the line. Well, that may be a little more challenging depending on your inequality, but you can click on your graph to kind of get an idea of what this point is, and there's a good one, 8, 4. So I'm going to choose that one. If you're having a really hard time finding a point to put on your graph, you may want to rethink your inequality because you want to be able to figure out the exact numbers. You'll need them for the next part of the project. Okay, and finally I'm going to choose a point over here in the unshaded part of the graph. So I'll pick 6, -4 for my graph. Alright, and again, click on Label to show the ordered pair for this point. Now, once this is done, we're going to go to Graspable Math. So open up Graspable Math and click on Explore to get you a canvas. Okay, so here I have the inequality. I've typed in using insert expression, and one of my ordered pairs, which I have typed in using insert expression as well. We're going to substitute these values in for these variables to see what happens. So the first thing I'm going to do is substitute a -2 for my x and a +4 for my y. And then we're going to simplify this down. If you'll click here, and it is going to show these steps, which is interesting. And then we're going to combine like terms after we've multiplied these. So you will notice, I think I'll pull this down. This was my original statement. I don't think I need that. It's kind of redundant. Let's get rid of it. Okay, so this is enough work. So you would take this and you would place this into your project. Now you need to talk about what this means. So notice it says -22 is less than 8. Well, -22 is less than 8. So this is a true statement. So you would need to indicate that it's true. So you have the option of entering a text box here, like so. Or you could just go ahead and put it into your project and enter the statement there. You'll have more, you'll have more tools in slides to put what you want. But the thing that you need to concentrate on is if the statement is true, that's telling you the point is a solution to the inequality. If the statement is false, then that point is not a solution to the inequality. And so to sum up, you're going to make an inequality, put it into Desmos, choose 3 points, one in each part of the graph, test each point in Graspable Math like this, and then you're going to put all of that into your project. It is very important that the graph that you put into Desmos, that you copy that and put that in as well so that you can see the 3 points. If you can get it all on one slide, great. If not, you could put each point maybe on a separate slide, but be sure the graph is there so that you can see the point. If you have any questions on this creative project, don't hesitate to ask.